Ladies and gentlemen, dreamers, fighters, believers, today I want to talk to you about something deeply personal, something profoundly powerful, and something that every single human being on this planet desires: a better life, a transformed life, a life that feels meaningful, exciting, joyful, bold, and free from regret. And as we stand here, at the doorstep of a brand new year, 2026, I want to ask you one question. Do you believe that your life can transform in the next 12 months? Not slightly, not gradually, not eventually. I am talking about a complete shift. A shift in your mindset, your habits, your confidence, your health, your relationships, and your direction. Because here's the truth most people will never tell you. Why try pointing back hand index? A life doesn't change by accident. A life changes by intention. And 2026 is your chance, not just another year, but a blank canvas, a new chapter, a reset button life rarely gives us. So today, let's talk about how you can change your life in 2026. Not theoretically, not motivationally, but practically, step by step. Glowing Star Part 1. The decision that starts everything. Every transformation begins with a single moment. A moment where you say, "Enough. I'm ready for more." Most people don't change because they never decide. They say things like, "Someday I'll start. After things settle down. Maybe when I have more time, more money, more clarity." But hear me clearly. Someday is a thief. It will steal every dream you don't protect. 2026 will change for you the moment you decide that it must. Not should. Not hopefully. Not maybe. But must. Because when something becomes a must, you find energy, you find time, you find courage, and you find a way. Think about every big shift in your life. It started with a decision. So before you learn the strategies, before you build the habits, before you set the goals, before you chase the dream, you need one thing: a decision that this year will not be a repeat of the last. Glowing Star Part 2. The mindset shift that unlocks everything. If you want 2026 to be different, you must think differently. Your mind is the CEO of your life. If the CEO doesn't change, nothing changes. Here are the 3 mindset upgrades you need this year. 1. The mindset of ownership. Stop outsourcing blame. Stop waiting for people to save you. Stop allowing circumstances to define your future. When you take ownership, you say, "My life is mine. My outcome is mine. My next chapter is mine to write." Ownership is power. 2. The mindset of possibility. Many people live smaller than their potential because they can't see what is possible for them. But possibilities are not discovered, they are created. In 2026, ask yourself daily, what if I tried? What if I learned? What if I didn't give up? What if I became the person I secretly know I can be? Your possibilities expand with every bold step you take. 3. The mindset of consistency. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. Consistency is transformation. You don't need to change your whole life in one day. You need to take one small step every day. Remember, Black Right Arrow, small wins build massive changes. Black Right Arrow, tiny habits create huge identities. Black Right Arrow, micro progress leads to macro success. If you commit to being just 1% better every day, you become unstoppable. Glowing Star Part 3. The habits that rebuild your life. Your habits shape your future. Show me your habits, and I'll tell you exactly where your life is heading. To change your life in 2026, here are the habits you must adopt. Fire 1. The habit of clarity. Most people are stressed not because life is difficult, but because life is unclear. Write down, what do you want? Who do you want to become? What do you want to fix? What do you want to achieve? What kind of life do you want to wake up to? Clarity is power. Fire 2. The habit of focus. Distraction is the biggest enemy of your dreams. Every notification, every unnecessary scroll, Every hour wasted is a brick removed from the house you are trying to build. Protect your focus like your life depends on it. Because it does. Fire 3. The habit of self-respect. Speak well to yourself. Treat yourself well. Keep promises to yourself. Stop lying to yourself. Stop breaking commitments to yourself. When you respect yourself, your life rises automatically. Fire 4. The habit of health. Health is not optional. It is your foundation. Walk daily. Drink water. Sleep well. Eat clean. Move your body. Stretch. Breathe. Your body is your first home. Take care of it. Fire 5. The habit of learning. Every new skill, every new insight, every new experience upgrades your life. Read. Listen. Watch. Practice. Ask questions. Growth is the engine of transformation. Glowing Star Part 4. The system that ensures you don't give up. Goals don't change your life. Systems do. A system is a repeatable structure that guarantees progress. In 2026, build a simple system. 1. Weekly planning. Every Sunday, ask, what are my top 3 goals this week? What must get done no matter what? What can I eliminate? 2. Daily execution. Start your day with intention. Morning routine. Top priority first. 0 distractions. 3. Night reflection. Ask, what did I do well today? What can I improve? What's my first task tomorrow? Reflection accelerates growth. Glowing Star Part 5. The power of changing your environment. You cannot grow in a place that shrinks you. Your environment includes the people you talk to, the content you consume, the habits you observe, the rooms you enter, the places you spend time. In 2026, upgrade your environment. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, support you, push you, respect your goals. You become like the people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Glowing Star Part 6. The force of courage. Nothing will change until you learn to step into discomfort. In 2026, I want you to start the business, apply for the job, build the skill, post the content, write the book, sing the song, launch the idea, take the risk, walk away from what is destroying you. Courage is not about not having fear. Courage is about moving with fear. Growth and comfort cannot coexist. Glowing Star Part 7. The gift of patience. Most people overestimate what they can do in 1 month and underestimate what they can do in 1 year. Transformation takes time. Seeds don't grow in a day. Muscles don't form in a week. Dreams don't build in a month. But if you stay patient, if you stay consistent, if you keep showing up, 2026 will become the year where everything shifts. Glowing Star Part 8. Letting go of the old you. You cannot step into 2026 with the same excuses, the same fears, the same laziness, the same self-doubt, the same toxic people, the same old patterns. To become a new you, you must let go of the old you. Let go of overthinking, procrastination, negative self-talk, limiting beliefs, fear of judgment, fear of failure. You are not who you were. You are who you choose to become. Glowing Star Part 9. Building the 2026 version of yourself. If you sat with your future self, the version of you 1 year from now, what would they say? They might tell you, don't quit. You're closer than you think. You are capable of more than you believe. Be brave. Trust yourself. Take the first step. Imagine who you could be next year. Stronger, smarter, healthier, wealthier, wiser, more confident, more disciplined, more fulfilled. This is not fantasy. This is within your reach. And say to yourself, this is my year. This is my time. This is the year I change everything. Let's make 2026 the most transformational year of your life.